Google just dropped the Pixel Buds Pro and people are talking. The tech community is buzzing with opinions, reviews, and first impressions. We've seen leaks, heard rumors, and now they're here. The speculation is over, and it's time to see if the Pixel Buds Pro can meet our high expectations. Stay tuned because we're breaking down everything you need to know. Let's explore the future of audio together. Under the hood specs breakdown. Let's get techie for a minute. The Pixel Buds Pro pack a punch with a custom Google processor. This isn't your average earbud chip, it's designed specifically for these buds. Storage-wise, you're covered. Enough room for your playlists even if you're rocking out offline. And the color options, slick and stylish from classic white to a more daring coral. Sound off, audio excellence. All right, let's talk about what matters most, the sound. When it comes to audio devices, the quality of sound can make or break the experience. Google's really pushing the audio quality here. The Pixel Buds Pro are designed to deliver rich, immersive sound that brings your music to life. Active Noise Cancellation ANC is a game changer, blocking out the world so you can focus on your music. Whether you're in a bustling city or a noisy office, ANC ensures that nothing comes between you and your tunes. But what about calls? Crystal clear thanks to beamforming mics. These mics are engineered to pick up your voice with precision, ensuring that every word you say is heard loud and clear. These isolate your voice, making sure you're heard even in noisy environments. Imagine being able to take a call in a crowded cafe without having to shout or repeat yourself. No more repeating yourself on calls. The Pixel Buds Pro ensure that your voice is the star of the show, cutting through the noise and delivering clarity like never before. Section 4, battery life, powering your jams. Nobody wants earbuds that die mid-song, right? Google gets that. The Pixel Buds Pro boast impressive battery life, enough to get you through your day. And the charging case, it's not just a case, it's a power bank for your buds. Pop them in for a quick juice up and you're good to go. Section 5, the price tag worth the splurge. Here's the real question. Are they worth the price? The Pixel Buds Pro are definitely an investment. But when you consider the advanced tech, the audio quality, and the seamless integration with Google's ecosystem, it's a tough call. There are definitely more affordable options out there. Section 6, final verdict, are they for you? In this section, we'll dive deep into whether these wireless earbuds are the right fit for you. So, who are these buds for? Well, let's break it down. These earbuds are designed for a wide range of users, but they shine the brightest for a specific group. If you're deep in the Google world using their phones, assistant, the whole shebang, these are a no-brainer. The integration with Google services is seamless, making your daily tasks easier and more efficient. The integration is seamless and the experience is top-notch. From instant pairing to voice commands, everything works like a charm. You'll find that the convenience factor is off the charts. But if you're on a budget or not fully committed to the Google life, there might be better options. There are plenty of other earbuds out there that offer great sound quality and features at a lower price point. Ultimately, it comes down to your needs and priorities. Do you value seamless integration with Google services, or are you looking for the best bang for your buck? Customizing settings and features can also play a big role in your decision. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Your feedback is invaluable and helps others make informed decisions. Have you tried these earbuds? What was your experience like? Are you Team Pixel Buds Pro or nah? Join the conversation and share your opinions. Whether you love them or think they're overrated, we want to hear from you. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching.